Hi, we are students from Peicai Secondary School.
Today, we will be sharing more about the topic of food security.
What exactly is food security? Food security refers to the state of having reliable access to a sufficient quantity of affordable, nutritious food. Now, what has Singapore done to ensure food security? Singapore introduced the 30 by 30 goal in 2019 to raise ambition for local food production and enhance the resilience of a food supply. This is important as Singapore currently imports over 90% of its food supply, making it especially sensitive to changes in global agriculture, especially more so now with COVID-19. That being said, what are the urban solutions for food security in Singapore? Our first solution is urban farming. It refers to creative ways of locating farms in parts of the city. This includes farming at rooftops, parks, under viaducts, and vertical farming. Urban farming reduces carbon dioxide emissions by cutting down transport-related fuel consumption from the import of crops and vegetables from foreign countries. It also provides healthier and wider variety of food alternatives. Agricultural products from urban farming are also less likely to perish, as they are grown in optimal conditions controlled by vertical hydroponics. Hydroponics grows plants in nutrient-infused water instead of soil, and is closely monitored to give the best conditions for the plants.
Another solution we researched on is kosher meat, also known as lab-grown meat. It is genuine animal meat produced by cultivating animal cells directly. We will not dive too deep into the process of this solution, but this method not only helps to reduce greenhouse gas emissions like methane, but also ensures a more stable supply of food, which is not disrupted by external factors like extreme weather events.
So, what's the relationship between the urban farms and the Sustainable Development Goals? The mass implementation of urban farms around urban areas is able to boost the food supplies, which provides the local consumers a more affordable price of staple food, increasing the ability of them to afford the cost of essential commodities, hence fulfilling Goal 2 of SDGs, Zero Hunger. Urban farming is a form of localized food production that eliminates unnecessary food miles. It reduces the substantial emissions of CO2 from transportation as food is grown locally, which ensures optimal freshness from soils to plates. This fulfills Goal 11 of SDGs, Sustainable Cities and Communities. Urban agriculture promotes the resurgence of community gardens, which can be used to cultivate organic veggies in the underutilized spaces that are scattered around the cities. It offers a more reliable source of nutritious and fresh vegetables for the urbanites, achieving Goal 12 of SDGs, responsible consumption and production.
Although urban farming is increasing in Singapore, the land currently used for urban farming is too small, occupying only 1% of Singapore's land use even though it uses less land space. Not just that, the demand for vegetables from soy-based farms is higher than those from high-tech farms, according to NTUC FairPrice, Singapore's largest supermarket chain, which is worrying as it shows that locals have doubts about trying out new and better ideas which can benefit the future. Therefore, here are the two improvements we propose. For urban farming, we can start by increasing the salaries of the local farmers to encourage more people to engage in urban farming. We can also increase rooftop farming not just in new buildings, but in old buildings and shopping centres. In order to increase popularity of urban farming, the most important thing we can do is to get support from food agencies like Singapore Food Agency.
Hope you enjoyed and learned a lot from this video.